So here's the plan. Samanvita, Mandeep, Pahana, please keep your videos on. Nobody is going to turn off the videos unless there is a technical problem. Because if I see the video, if I see you guys, I can make out whether I'm making sense to everybody or not. Okay. Now today, here's the plan. I'm not going to teach anything. I'm not going to teach anything, but what we're going to do is talk about this. Okay. Hello, Nika. So, I have answer sheet for everybody here. Okay. Let me just give me a second. I'm arranging some of the sheets and then we'll talk about it. I see Rayans also has joined. Rayans, when are you going to send me your answer sheet? Rayans with glasses.
Hi Viren sir, Rayansh is going to come tomorrow to give the test. You remember we talked about
Oh yeah. Okay. I'm getting old, ma'am. Please excuse me. Excuse me for that.
Probably we are also getting old, sir.
No worries.
So,
No
but
worries.
he is probably going to come tomorrow. That's what we discussed last
Okay.
time.
Yeah. Now I remember.
Yeah.
So what I will do is I'll send him to the corner of this house where he'll give the test. Once he's done, he'll give me the paper and then go home.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Okay. All right. So here are the sheets that I have from all the kids who were in the classroom, and some of them are printouts of the answer sheet that I have got from some of you who were there online. What do you guys think? Did you all do great job or not so great? Okay. In the middle. There's nothing called in the middle. We do good or we don't do good. Okay. All right. Ved, Bhuvi, Ahana, Samanvita, what do you guys think? Lakshya, how did we do in the test? I'm being honest, it's okay. I'm sorry?
I think I did good.
Okay. 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 So don't worry. So guys, talk to me. That's the key. Nobody's typing text. Texting is not fun. Praneeth, when I'm going to get your answer sheet,
I think you should have got it.
okay, I'll check. I've not checked my messages for the last couple of hours. Before that, I don't remember having seen it. Yes, Lakshya, you're saying something?
I don't think I did wrong in test. This is like my first time.
Okay. So, see, there was, okay, so let me, Rayans, keep your video on, beta, if you can.
You're on travel.
Ah, okay. Okay.
2 minutes.
Okay, no worries. And Ananya and Aditya, did you guys do the test? I don't remember having seen your answer sheets yet.
Not yet. Yeah, not yet.
Okay, make sure that you do the test offline in front of mommy. Okay, you will have only 1 hour for doing all of them. It is not, see, my tests are not for getting anybody stressed out. Hey, Nikhil.
Where is the test again?
It is there in the WhatsApp group. I have put the question paper there itself.
Okay.
Okay. If mommy says that she's not able to find it out, let me know. I can find it. I can send it one more time. Okay.
Okay.
So, Nikhil, what do you think? How did the test go? Okay, not so okay. I mean, again, nobody has to be stressed out here. Okay. All the tests we do I'm not going to give anybody marks, say, okay, you got 100%, you got 80%, you got 70%, you got 20%. No. Always the idea is, when I go through the test paper, I look at a couple of things. Okay, who has done what? What are the topics that the kids are struggling with? Where somebody is finding it difficult to solve? And what are the different parts of the question that is getting complicated for the kids? And I'll be very honest, majority of you, I'm not going to tell anybody's name as such, many of you struggled with fraction multiplication big time. That should not have been the case, at least for kids who have been with me for some time. Fraction multiplication division, big problem. Multiplying 3-digit numbers, not very happy. And I'm not saying anybody's name, okay? Whoever has done good, they already know about it. So whoever knows about it very clearly, they know about it. I'm not going to disclose any names here, but as a group, I can clearly see that multiplying, dividing fractions, big problem. Multiplying 3-digit numbers, big problem. Solving word problems, problem. Yes, Sanvi.
I turned 10 today, sir.
I'm sorry, beta.
I turned 10 today, sir.
Wonderful, beta. Happy birthday.
Thank
Many,
you,
many
sir.
happy returns of the day.
Thank you.
You guys might want to say happy birthday to Sanvi. Go ahead and say happy birthday. Don't be shy.
Happy birthday, Sanvi. Thank you. Happy birthday, Sanvi. Happy birthday, Sanvi.
Good.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sanvi. Happy birthday, Sanvi. Thank you.
See, this is when you feel that you're surrounded by people who care for you. So I'm sure Sanvi will have a blast. So Sanvi, my gift to you on a birthday would be, I will let you go in 30 minutes. Not 30 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes. By 4:30 you can leave. Okay? So that you can celebrate your birthday. In today's class, we are not going to learn anything new. I have no plan to teach you guys anything. I wanted to reflect on how you guys have done in the test and where we have opportunity. What are the reasons for something not being done right? Yeah.
Am I gonna get out papers?
I was watching everybody. So don't give me any reason that I don't get convinced about. People running out of paper, if anybody ran out of paper during the exam, they could have asked for the paper on that day rather than letting me know after a week. Doesn't work.
I'm gonna get the paper down test.
No. I'm not going to give the paper back to anybody. Yes, Asher, you're saying something. You were not running the test.
Oh yeah, I wasn't due.
Okay, so what you have to do is take, the question paper was there published on last Sunday before the test. Take help from mommy to get it printed out and do the test in 1 hour's time. Not to get 100%, 90%, 80%, but to see what are the things that you are able to do without any problem versus the thing that is bothering you. And that when you send me the question paper, answer sheet, that will give me insight into where my kids are finding some concepts difficult, and I will focus on those for making it easy for you guys.
Okay.
Likewise, some of the kids, I heard that you guys are taking stress. Now the question is why? There is no prize and there is no penalty also. So why you guys are taking stress for the test? Am I saying it right, Mishika? You guys are thinking too much. I really appreciate you guys for being serious about what you do. And trust me, that's a very good quality. But never stress yourself. Otherwise, the fun in learning goes for a toss. Okay? if I hear any of you get headache because of a test, I'll be depressed. I don't want any of my kid to take stress for the test, because these tests are meant for fun. These tests are for me to get insight into what are the things that my kids are finding things difficult. What are the things that I need to explain again? What are the things that is not clear to my kids? That's the goal. Okay? Nobody will take any stress. Promise me that you will have fun with the test rather than stressing yourself out. Okay? Everybody. Yeah? Alright. Let's see who joined in between. So Praneeth, I will see what you have done in your test, and if there is something that is important, I will let you know. Bhuvi, tell me, how was your experience with the test? I'm here for...
Once I was done, I got a lot of them wrong, especially the tic-tac-toe ones.
Yay!
Because the tic-tac-toe ones, I'm not really used to those.
Okay.
56. I only know like the multiplication way, not the
Division? Okay.
yeah.
Okay. No, so I said yay. Not because I was happy that you got it wrong. I was happy because I have an opportunity to teach something. Okay? I don't take pride in you guys being wrong. I'm just looking for opportunity to teach you guys something. So my question to Bhuvi. Bhuvi, what was your observation beta from the test? Did you find it very difficult, easy, or what was your reading from the test? Don't be shy, okay? You guys are my kids. Nobody has to be shy with me, okay? Okay, so Nihit, what was your reading from the test?
Good.
Good. Do you think the questions were easy, difficult, very difficult, or there? I mean, what would be your first reaction after seeing the question?
Middle.
Middle. See, this is where I have a problem. Oops. There is nothing called middle. There is a 0 or a 1. 0 is very bad, 1 is extremely happy. There are some interim milestones here in between, but we all start from here and our goal is to go here. During the test, take out the butterflies, Sohita, they might bite you. Sohita, take out the butterflies. Okay. So, let me get started, okay? So today we will not do tables. And for tables there is a change in the plan. Everybody has to memorize tables 5 minutes, no question about it. And Sanvi, you can keep the flowers on because it's your birthday today. So that's the flexibility she has. But whoever doesn't have birthday, don't keep the flower. So now this is the new rule for you all. Whenever it's your birthday, keep the flower on so that we all would know that okay, it's your birthday and everybody can wish you a happy birthday. Not for the kids in the classroom. You cannot put a flower and come to the class, okay? It's only for the kids joining online. They can put a flower. Okay. Okay, then we missed it by a few months. Next year we'll remember. Okay, so coming back to this one. So, on every Saturday we do tables. Praneeth, go on mute. Okay, every Saturday we used to do tables. Rudraj, don't stop playing carrom board. Let's stay with math. So every Saturday we do tables, and we used to spend 30 minutes. Somebody will tell tables and then wait for 30 minutes to start something. We'll make a small change to that. You all will memorize tables still, but I will randomly pick 6-7 of you to ask tables just to see if everybody is doing it or not. Okay? Or maybe 10. And that 10, it could be you. So you come prepared. Everybody is practicing tables. Who's getting picked up that day depends on that person's luck. But you come prepared. So that way, instead of 30 minutes, we'll probably spend 15 minutes for doing tables. We'll have 15 minutes more to learn things. Okay, that's the whole goal. Okay, because tables are not the thing that we're learning. Tables are our enablers for learning math better or doing math better. Now if I ask you guys, who all struggled with fraction, multiplication, division, can you guys raise your hand? And it's okay, there's no shame. If I struggled, I will fix it. Okay? Pranit thinks he struggled, Sanvi thinks he struggled,
I think so.
Manvita also thinks, yes.
I don't even know.
You don't really know.
Yeah.
You are coming for taking my pictures or you come for learning math? So again, those are bad jokes and you have to bear with it. I crack bad jokes, those are called dad jokes. But then, my question is very simple. If I'm teaching something in the class, please make sure that you are being attentive. You are paying attention to what I do. It doesn't matter how many Amazon buses go, how many rabbits cross. You are staying focused in the class. Now, this is the most interesting part of it. So, fraction, multiplication, division. That is what we have learned. Okay? We have learned in the past, but I see many of you were kind of finding it a little difficult. And I want to kill that difficulty forever. So today and tomorrow, fraction, multiplication, division only. All possible flavors, all possible ways to get rid of that fear. Fraction, multiplication, division. What is that? It's an opportunity to play. It's an opportunity to play. As simple as that. Now look at it. If I say 1 by 8 into 4 by 6. Okay? I am talking about multiplying this fraction with this fraction. Look at this. What do we have on the ground floor? 8 and 6. Rudraksh here. You have to look at the board constantly. Okay, so that is the only way you will stay focused. The horses, right? I'm not sure if you guys have seen those in India. You have those carts that are pulled by horses. Okay, those are called chariots. I'm sorry.
Sir,
I'm sorry, beta. Yeah, Praneeth.
if we know that 8 is the double of 4, so if we cross out
I'm talking about horses. You're talking about math. Hold it.
and can we cross out 8 and 4 and leave 8 with a 2? Because
So okay, I'll come to that. We'll talk about it. I was talking about horses. That is more important right now. So the horses that you see in the chariots, right? There are some carts pulled by horses. You will see that the horses have something to cover their eyes, so that they can focus on the road always, like this.
like a shield from the sun.
Yeah, to shield their eyes from the side as well as to make sure that they don't get distracted by what is happening on the side. I will check in Amazon if we have some product like that. I'll buy it for you all, so that when we are in the class, you will just look in the front always. Okay, anyway, that was a joke. Let's move on. So this is the problem that is to solve. Okay, everybody here. Bhuvi, Praneeth, Anika, everybody. Wait. And Lakshya, were you trying to say something? You had raised your hand as well.
I was going to say that I figured out the answer already.
Okay, so answer part we'll hold it for now. I'm not really interested in the answer right now. I'm just trying to make sure that everybody is so very comfortable with this. Now I had this. So these are the first floor, ground floor. This is the first floor. I will put the people on the floor together. People who are on the same floor together. So all the people on the first floor are 1 and 4. I will put them together because there is a multiplication sign. And people on the ground floor goes together. Okay. Now, two things became one. Okay. Now, here, 1 into 4. 4 I can write as 2 into 2. Always try to break it into smaller pieces as a multiplication. This is called factorization. Now, 8 also you can write as 2 into 4. And then this 6 you can write as 2 into 3. Now, we have much smaller numbers. Okay? Bhuvi, are you with me, beta? Yeah?
Sir,
Hold it. Don't give me the answer. See, I don't like answers. That's my problem.
I'm not giving the answer.
Okay, tell me then.
If we instead do 1 times 4, we can cross out the 4 and the 2, and then we can.
So there is no rule. So here's the deal. Okay, there is no rule. You just break it into smaller pieces, and if you do it right, wonderful. If you don't, you have a second chance always. Okay. So here.
And then and then we have 1 left. We can multiply 2 by 4, which is 8, times 2, which is 6. 2 times 2. Which
Okay.
equals
Let's do
4,
everything on the board.
Times 3 equals 12. And if you divide that by 1, that would equal 12. So our answer might be 12.
No, so there's no might be. So let's do everything on the board. I have this question. See, whatever I had, I have broken it down. Now time to play. 1, 2, 1, 2 gone. This 2 gone. So far my brain is all empty. It's not working at all. I'm playing. So on the first floor I have only 1. On the ground floor I have 4 into 3. Is there anything complicated here?
No.
Straightforward, to the point. Now let me add another flavor to it. 2 numbers is okay. Now let's go to more. If I say 2 by 6 into 3 by 8 into 16 by 5. Does our life change too much? No, it does not. It does not. Whatever is on the ground floor stays together, whatever is on the first floor stays together, and you again split the same way. Yes, Rayans.
Can you use a different watercolor? Because it's hard for me to see because it's too light.
Yes, please. Sure. Same. Okay. 2 over 6, 3 over 8, 16 over 5. Earlier we were doing multiplication of 2 fractions. Now we have 3 fractions. Party is already starting, Sanvi? About to start? Okay. So we have 3 fractions to multiply. And I think it's Sanvi's sibling in the back. Beware, I teach math. You will be trapped in this class one day. Okay, so now I have 3 fractions. Nothing changes for us. Same thing. Whatever is on the ground floor stays together. 6 into 8 into 5. See, I'm not in a hurry at all. Okay, if anybody is in a hurry, please don't worry. Because hurry creates worry. One of my neighbors' name is Hurry. Okay. So here they are the numbers. Now let's break it down. 2 is a small number, what to worry. 3 is also a small number, what to worry. 16, I can write as 2 into 8. Yeah? Oh, I got an 8 here. I already have an 8 here. Wonderful. I will not break this 8. 6 I can break. There is no 6 here. So I can write as 2 into 3. This 6 is 2 into 3. Then I have an 8. I will not touch that because I already have an 8 here. And then I have a 5. Oh, this 8 tic-tac-toe. This 3 tic-tac-toe. 1, 2, 1, 2 tic-tac-toe. What do I have? 2 over 5. So more the numbers, more the play. Nihit, here. Is it okay, beta? Okay. So when you get, when somebody says, okay, multiply this by 18 by 9, multiply this by 16 by 5, don't stress out that, oh, I have to multiply 5 fractions. No. You should be happy that I have more opportunity to play. I can do more tic-tac-toe. That is how you should look at. Okay? Does this make sense so far?
Yes.
Is this not playful enough?
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Mandeep, Riyans, Ved, everybody? Clear?
Yes. Yes.
Ahana, clear beta?
Yes.
Anika, Sivakeswa? Okay. Let me see who is in the class but is keeping quiet. Samanvita and Sohita. Are you clear, beta?
Yeah.
Mishika, clear?
Clear.
Aniket? Clear? All clear? Who gave me a thumbs down? Ananya and Aditya. Clear?
Huh?
Yep. Yeah, tell me.
What?
No, I saw a thumbs down coming from
I
you.
actually pressed that.
Okay, okay. No, I'm just curious. Is it clear for everybody or not? Okay.
Still.
Very clear? So tomorrow if somebody says two fraction multiplication or four fraction multiplication or 10 fraction multiplication, what would be your reaction? Yay, I have opportunity to play more. Yeah?
Sir,
Yep.
is it a fraction answer to 16 times 18 times 16 divided by 5 times 9 times 5? Because my answer is 52 divided by 25.
So, see, you are giving me a chance to play. Let's play. Tell me the question one more time. I was not paying much attention actually. to the
16
number.
times 18 times 16 divided by 5 times 9 times 5. You wrote that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You
See,
wrote that.
okay. So 15 times 18. Let's break it down. 15 is nothing but 5 times 3. 18 is nothing but 2 times 9, but because I see a 9 here, okay? 2 times 9. Then I have 16.
I said 16 times 18, not 15.
This is 16. So 15 times 18 times 16. That's what you had told me, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what I've written. So 15 is 5 times 3. 18 is 2 times.
No, I said 16. 1 6, not 1 5.
Okay, so this is 16.
Yeah.
16 times 18 times 16.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. So, fine. 16 I can write as 8 into 2. Let's see what will happen. 18 I can write as 2 into 9. And this 16 I can write as, let's say 4 into 4. Whatever comes to your mind, that's okay. If that is not right, we will get a second chance. Now I have 5 into 9 into 9. So 5 remains 5. 9 I can write as 9 because I already have 9 here. And this 5 also I cannot break. So this 9 and this 9 tic-tac-toe, done. There is nothing more that you can do. So what you have here is 8 times 2 times 2 times 4 times 4. So this becomes 8 times 2, 16 to the 32 times 16 over 5 times 5, 25. I'm sorry? Yeah? Now, whoever remembers the table of 16, Mishika, tell me how much is 16 to the?
I think 2
and 3 carry forward. 16 3 is 48 plus 3 51. So 512 divided by 15, that is your answer, okay? Got it, Preet?
I got it.
Okay. So yeah, Mandeep, you have raised your hand. Tell me, what is the question?
Last Sunday, the reason why I didn't join for
You were not well.
and it was like 30 minutes to drive, but I was sick, so that was the main reason I didn't come.
No, I'm aware of that, beta. I talked to Daddy. So Daddy told me that you'll do the test later. Yes, Sanvi, you're saying something? Time for party? Yep. You can go ahead and have fun. Make sure that you enjoy the most in a safe way, okay? Make sure that no safety aspect is compromised, okay? Have fun, yeah.
I'm going to
Yeah.
a
Bye,
birthday
sir.
party.
Yeah. Alright, bye-bye, beta. Okay. Now coming back to this one. So this was the second problem. So what we just saw that, okay, if you have to multiply fractions, that's not a big deal. Now, dividing fraction and problem with multiplication and division together, that could be a problem.
But that's not a problem.
That's not a problem. I saw everybody's problem in the problem statement. Okay. Now, dividing problem, okay. I have 16 by 5 to be divided by 8 by 15. Sanvi turned 10 today. Sanvi turned 10 today. I will turn 50 next year, April. But even if I am about to turn 50, I have still not learned how to do fraction division. That's so sad. I have still not learned how to do fraction division. I still only know fraction multiplication. So, okay, if I know only multiplication, I will do multiplication. No matter what the teacher says. If this division I converted to multiplication. And as soon as I did that, somebody gets super angry. How come you can change a division to a multiplication? And they get agitated, excited, start jumping. And flipped upside down. See, this guy was ready to divide this number, okay? As soon as I converted, no, you cannot divide. As soon as I converted division to multiplication, this guy was super angry and flipped upside down. So that is the reason I have not learned how to do division. Because I know I can always convert a division to multiplication. And when I do so, this guy flips upside down. The number next to the division flips upside down. See? It was below, went up. It was above, came down. Now I'm dealing with a multiplication problem. Nothing different from what we have been doing so far. Someone with is that making sense, beta?
Yeah.
Yeah? So now I converted this division into multiplication. All that story I told you about my age is correct. But what I was trying to convey is you don't have to learn how to do division. You can convert a division to a multiplication by flipping the number next to it. By flipping the number next to it. Only the number next to it. And we'll see that. Now I have this. No big deal. 16, so it becomes 16 into 15 in the first floor and 5 into 8 on the ground floor. Okay. 16 I can write as 8 into 2 because I have 8 here already. 15 I can write as 5 into 3. And then I have a 5, I will not touch that. 8 also I will not touch because I already have 8 here. I have a chance to play tic-tac-toe. 5 and 5 gone. 8 and 8 gone. What am I left with? 2 into 3, 6.
It's a natural number.
Doesn't matter. That's just a number for us. Yeah?
I'll listen.
What happened, Usvi? Bhuvi? You wish to disappear? Am I making you disappear? No. Okay. So, Bhuvi, are you clear, beta? Whatever I'm explaining here? When you have to divide a fraction by another fraction, you don't have to divide. You can convert the division into multiplication, and as soon as you do that, the number next to that flips, and then it becomes a regular multiplication, and you do whatever you want to do. Yeah.
Sir, why does the 8 get angry?
8 gets angry because as soon as 8 realized that this man who is about to turn 50 still has not learned division. Yeah? 8 got angry with me.
But why isn't he mad at when you're 60?
That I will be able to answer once I'm about to turn 60, okay? We will see. I still have 10 more years. By the time you guys will all graduate from high school. Most of you. Not most of you. All of you. So, but on a serious note, this is a technique that we can use for for doing fraction division. Is that okay? Ahana, Ananya, Aditya, Mandeep, Sohita, Praneeth, everybody? Yeah? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, let's make our life a little more difficult. My job is to make your life difficult, and your job is to prove me wrong. I will say, no, I will make your life difficult by giving you a tough problem. And you will say, see, I can make it easy. Nihit, is that okay? Whatever, are you okay? You look sad. No? Okay.
I'm tired.
Mine was wireless.
What did you do to get tired?
I stayed up late.
Doesn't matter. I was up till 12:30 in the night. I woke up at 5:30 in the morning to do my classes with the kids back in India. So for you guys who are not aware, I have classes with the kids in India from 5:30 to 8:30 in the morning every Saturday and Sunday. Okay? So
I think you're tired.
I'm not tired. Tired is in the mind. When you think you're tired, you'll be tired after 12 hours of sleep also. And this is the advantage with growing old. When you are above 45, you will not get 8 hours of sleep. 4 5 hours are enough. So I sleep for 5 hours a day. Okay, anyway.
Then I guess you're a special person.
No, I'm not. I'm just a very normal person with less hair. Let's move on. Okay, alright, let's move on. Now, let's say 4 by 8 into 6 by 9 divided by 8 by 5 multiplied by 3 over 12. Oh my God. We have multiplication, division, and then multiplication. How do we go about it? So before no dancing. Dance class is, I don't know, I've not decided the schedule for dance class, so no dance class. Okay, coming back here. So here, in this problem, I have multiplication, then I have division, and then multiplication also. How do we go about it? Praneeth, don't try solving it. Tell me what is first your approach. That is what is more important for me to know. Praneeth, tell me, what is going in your mind first? How can you do it?
So we would have to flip the 8 with the 5, or maybe the wait. Do we only have to flip the left or right side?
That is, see, I wanted to first plant a confusion in your mind and take it out. Yes, let's see what Riyans says. Yes, Riyans.
First, what you should do is you should first multiply both of the numbers, and then once you get your answers, then you should divide both of them. Then you should divide with each other.
Okay, let's see what Ved says.
You should first flip the right number the right
this.
fraction of the division.
Uh-huh.
And
How about
then
this
the
guy?
division side. No, the right side of the division side.
So right hand division is this one. So this number and this number both.
Yeah. The 8/5.
How about this guy?
No, not that one.
That is what I was wanting to hear. So now everybody pay attention to this. What I said, if I have to divide this fraction by another fraction, when I convert division to multiplication, the numbers next to it flips. Only the numbers next to it. Number next to it is only this one. This guy is far. Okay? This division sign doesn't know about this guy. So when you are flipping it, you'll only flip this one. Now to your point, Rayans, whatever approach you said, there's nothing wrong with that. But that will take time. I'm here, see, if I have to multiply this, 4 times 6 is 24, 8 times 9 is 72. So 24 into 72 divided by 8 times 3 is 24, 12 times 5 is 60. And then I have to again break it into smaller numbers. Yes, Ahana, Tanvita.
Can I use the restroom?
100%. Don't worry about it. Yeah. Now, so, see, when I'm dividing, I'm trying to simplify it and break bigger number into smaller numbers. Here the numbers are smaller already. If I try multiplying them, I'm creating a bigger number, then I have to again break them into smaller number to simplify it, right? So I would suggest not to do that. Rather, like what Ved said, convert division to multiplication and the number, only the number next to it flips. So let's first convert division to multiplication. I converted this. As soon as I did that, the number next to it flips. So 5 goes up, 8 comes down. And then whatever I had after that, that guy is not bothered. It's like my neighbor's house is on fire, I'm not bothered. Okay? I mean, should not do that, but just an example. Now I have this. Here, let's see what we can do. So from this, let's put them together. 4 into 6 into 5 into 3. Everything on the first floor is together now. How about the ground floor? 8 into 9 into 8 into 12. Now, I have a 6 here. I know 6 times 2 is 12. So, I will not break this one. 4 I will keep as 4, okay? Because I see a 8 below. 4 into 6 also I am not touching. 5 is anyway a prime number. 3 is also a prime number. Let's not worry about it. 8. 8 I can write as 4 into 2. This 9 I can write as 3 into 3. 8. Okay. 8 also I can write as 4 into 2. Then 12 I can write as 6 into 2. Now let's see what all we can play with. This 6 and this 6 gone. This 4 gone. 1, 3, 1, 3 gone. On the first floor we have 5. On the ground floor we have 2, 3, 4, 2, 2. 2 times 3 is 6, times 4 24, times 2 48, times 2 96. I mean, I'm doing it because I'm getting old. You guys will have to multiply it. Multiply, you'll find it out. It's okay. So this is, I mean, getting old, more than getting old, it's about I have more practice with this. I have played with math for many more decades than you guys, so that's why I'm going to do it faster. But yeah. So what is the takeaway from this? When you have multiplication and division together, convert everything to multiplication and only the number next to it flips. So whoever was struggling with this kind of problem that okay, I have multiplication, division together, how do I deal with it? Just get rid of the division by changing it to multiplication and apply that flipping technique. Done. Yes, Praneeth.
I got 135 divided by fraction. I got 135 divided by 15.
For this problem? Should not be. Should not be.
I made a mistake.
Okay. Because see, I'm not telling you guys that my technique is the best, but I have no shame in saying that my technique is the lamest. I'm keeping it as simple as you can think of. I'm not making any assumption. See, from here I put them together, no mistake. Now I'm breaking them into smaller pieces. You can see it right in front of yourself. 8, I said 4 into 2 here. 9, I said 3 into 3 here. 8 again, I said 4 into 2 here. 12, I said 6 into 2 here. Everything is in front of you, crystal clear, and then you play with it. Yep. Okay? So, math is supposed to be kept simple. If you keep it simple, you will play with it, you will have fun with it as much as I am having right now. Till maybe 60. Yes, Pranay?
How about the question that last, like those answer, like the pattern ones?
We'll come to that, okay? We'll not try learning everything in one class because that might make it a little confusing. If you learn too many things together, right, you will, and anyways, Praneeth, your answer sheet I will see and that will give me some more clue and I will focus on those areas as well. So I'll come to the pattern thing anyways. Pattern we have not talked about.
Do have 13 minutes left actually.
You are getting super excited about 13 minutes, but actually in this one also we have some more things that we want to cover, okay? But before I move on, Arav, you are 30 minutes early for the class. Join after 30 minutes. Yeah? Alright. So, is everybody clear about whatever we have discussed so far?
Yeah.
Nihit, Yugan, Ananya, Aditya, Mandeep, Samanvita, Anika, Lach.
And actually we have 11 minutes seconds.
Praneeth is counting every minute of the class time. And don't even look at the watch, okay? What will happen is when it's time, you will see the kids from next level joining, and that is where I'll realize that, okay, sorry, time. I don't look at the watch, okay? I don't look at the time because I know kids will join and then that will give me an indication of what the time is. It is. Now, whatever we have learned, I want you guys to okay. 3 1 over 3, 4 by 15, 3 1 over 3 multiplied by 4 by 15, multiplied by 7 1 over 8, divided by 1 1 over 14. Yay! High five. Or, yeah, tell me.
So first you have to...
No airy math. Airy math is scary math. If anybody is trying to do math in air, I'm not the person to talk to. Take your notebook out. Do you think I'm here without any respect for myself doing it on the board? No math will be told to me in air. Do it on a piece of paper. That's the way you'll be able to solve it in the exam also. Everybody. Nihit, do it on the paper. And get rid of that airy math thing, everybody, okay? Rudraksh, I saw in the exam, airy math is becoming a fiery and scary math. You guys have 2 minutes, I'll be back in 2 minutes. Okay, who all are done? What happened, lecture?
You just came back and asked who is done.
Yeah,
How are you supposed to read my...
I know you guys are talented, super talented. See, some of the kids were ready to give me answer in air. I thought you guys can solve it. Okay, we'll see. Yes, Riyans, what is the answer?
No, this is too hard for me. I'm not able to do it.
You're not able to do it? Okay, no worries. See, if you guys are not able to do it, that doesn't bother me. I will anyways teach and explain.
Okay.
We'll give 2 more minutes to all the kids, and I'll use last 5-6 minutes for solving this problem. Bhuvi, Shiva Kesava, Ved, everybody trying? You're done? What is your answer?
95.
95. Okay, we'll see. Advik, you are 8 minutes early for the class. You might want to join back after 8 minutes. So, what happened? Sohita is very quiet today. What happened, Sohita? Are you able to follow me, beta? Sohita, are you with me? Okay, wait, what's happening? Are you finding it difficult or easy?
A bit difficult.
A bit difficult.
I don't understand about the whole numbers.
Okay, let's see, Mishika. What's happening, beta?
The problem is a bit difficult.
Very difficult. Are you getting mad?
I'm getting.
You're getting mad? You got it? How much is the answer?
I'm good.
Now, so see, every Shiva Kesava, what is that? So stop typing, okay? Don't have to type. Always unmute yourself and talk to me. I'm not a stranger for anybody here, okay? Neither I scare kids on purpose. Sometimes I might, but on purpose I don't scare anybody. Okay, yeah, wait.
My answer is 21 bowls and 1 over 45.
Okay.
My answer is 8 divided by 1080.
Okay, 8 divided by 1080. How about you, Rudraj? You said you got the answer.
I'm doing it. Okay.
Okay, so now we have only 6 more minutes. So I will not wait for anybody. I will rather do it. So, Nishika, I used the word mad. I said, are you mad about it? That is where the catch is.
Hey, give me a clue.
Mad is the clue here. Now, I have, this is a mixed number, this is a fraction, this is a mixed number, this is also a mixed number. Dealing with mixed number and fractions together, not a fun thing. I will convert everything to fraction because I always keep claiming that fraction is my best friend. If I have all the numbers in the fraction form, my life is much easier.
Because they're your best friend.
So my fraction is my best friend. Friend, not friend. Okay. So, and mad is my technique for converting a mixed number to fraction. Multiply, add, divide. Mad. Multiply, add, divide. That's why I was saying, Mishika, are you mad? So mad is the clue. So I'm converting this mixed number into a fraction first. 3 3 is 9 plus 1 10 over 3. This is converted to a fraction. Multiplied by 4 over 50. This is already a fraction. I will not touch that. multiplied by this, again mad. 7 8 is 56 plus 1 57 over 8. Divided by 14 1 is 14 plus 1 15 over 15 over 14. Okay, this is what we have. So now this guy, stop whatever you're doing with that right now. Once the class is over, I'll let you know. First, don't do that. Convert division to multiplication. Now I have all multiplication. So this flips upside down, 14 over 15. So this is what we have. Now, whatever you can do with this. So it will become, all the numbers here will go to the top. And these ones will go here at the bottom. 3 into 15 into 8 into 15. Now, you will, whatever numbers you have here, so what you saw is converted all the mixed number into fraction using MAD, and then wherever I had division, converted that to multiplication. This is how I have all the numbers, and this became this. Let's break it down. 10 I can write as 5 into 2. 4 I can write as 2 into 2. Then I have 57. That will be 19 times 3. Okay, you don't have to worry about it for now. 14 is 2 times 7. Okay, all the numerators are done. Let's come to denominator. 3 is a small number, I'll not touch that. 15 I can write as 5 into 3. Then I have 8, I can write as 2 into 4. Then I have 15, which I can write as 5 into 3. Now let's split. This 5 gone. This 2 gone. This 3 gone. Then I have 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. And this 2 into 2 will be 4. So this 4 and this also gone. I mean, I can write this as 2 into 2 and then cut it. But this is where we are. So I have 19 into 2 into 7. So 19 to the 38 into 7 divided by 3 into 3 into 5. 3 3 is 9 into 5 45. So 38 into 7 divided by 45. That is what the answer would be. Did I do anything complicated? No. I don't think so. What I did was, I converted all the mixed numbers into fraction because fractions are my best friend. Why I say fractions are my best friend? Because even if I have 5, I can convert that to a fraction without doing anything. If I have a mixed number, I can convert that to a fraction by using MAD. Yeah? So that is why I use fraction as my best friend. Converted everything to a fraction, converted division to multiplication. After that, everything is same. Everybody clear?
Yes.
Then what are you waiting for? Go have fun. We'll meet tomorrow. Alright? Take care. Alright, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Bye bye.